I've come to the Erawan National Park, 65 kilometers from Kanchanaburi in Thailand, not far from the Thai-Burmese border. It's famous for 7 waterfalls, considered to be amongst the most beautiful in Thailand. The fish in the deep blue pools are used to human company, and I'm going to sketch them in the water. The waterfalls can be reached on foot by following a steep winding trail to the 7th waterfall. The shape of the 7th waterfall is thought to resemble the shape of Erawan, the 3-headed elephant in Hindu mythology, which gave the park its name. There's more than 80 species of birds in the deciduous forest. Other animals occasionally spotted are the slow loris, gibbon, and rhesus monkey. Erawan National Park has strict visitor policies necessary to conserve Erawan's natural beauty and ecosystem for the animals and fish that make their home there, with the aim they will continue to do so in the future for their sake and for us all to enjoy.